So yeah guys, we're back with another video. I think you get the idea of what I'm gonna do in this video. We'll be doing speedrun. I got this interesting idea because yeah, I want to do some interesting stuff on this channel, and apparently this is it. I got this challenge in my head. I want to try making a model as fast as I can with the default cube as fast as I can. So apparently that, and simultaneously making a model for my collection called the alphabet. I actually did this way back last year, where I was like starting off with my Instagram account and my ArtStation as well. If you have not checked out those accounts, the links are in the description box below. And I want to do it again, this time with YouTube. I think you get the idea now. I'll be starting off with the letter A as in arrow, and I hope you're gonna enjoy the video. If you do, hopefully you would like the video and subscribe. We're reaching 100 subs, by the way, guys, and I love y'all, and I hope you continue to support this channel of mine, this small channel of mine. 87 subs is already a lot. How much more if it's 100? By the way, disclaimer, I'm just gonna do strictly modeling, okay? I'm not gonna do any material creation or whatever. I'm not gonna tackle notes or stuff, because yeah, also because my computer is a potato PC, so there's that. If you want to check out the specs, it's right here. I put it on a list. Anyways, there's that. I'm gonna go on to the next part. Let's go, bros. So yeah, I actually recorded my best attempt on this arrow that I'm trying to make with the default cube and the timer. The timer is actually there on the top left corner, and I'm about to start in a few moments on this default cube. I'm so nervous in this recording, by the way, and we're starting right now. We're heading onto the edit mode, and yeah, I tried rotating the default cube at 45 degrees on the y-axis, and I'm gonna start off by making the arrowhead of the arrow. I'm gonna make it as a diamond, and I'm gonna go to the back face and shrink it so that I can make the base, and then forward the front face, and then extrude it. Merge vertices at cursor. For some reason I was supposed to press center, but then again I just forwarded it, and we have the arrow. And then we inset the back face, subdivided it for a few times, like so. Okay, and then we use loop tools, the add-on, and then we use the circle. I have no idea why is it rotated like that, weirdly, so I have to manually rotate it like so. 3 degrees is like good for me, so I just did that and extruded it, and then do some designing on extrusion. Only with the default cube, by the way, guys, so there's that. Yeah, yeah, the stick right there, just try to make the stick more interesting, at least make it as simple yet more pleasing to the eye, I guess, as possible. And yeah, this is the part where the feathers are gonna be placed at, and on the end tip, I'll bevel the just to make things more clean, I guess. And I selected 2 faces on the top and bottom on those parts right there to make the base for the feathers, and I extruded it along normal so that I can extrude it away from each other, so like that, and put it backwards, and then yeah, just merge vertices at center, because apparently I want to make it a wedge since they're starting off with some kind of like a flat surface, so I want to make it a wedge. So that's what I did here. I make merging something, you know, so there's that. And apparently the feathers are bigger than the arrowhead itself, so I shrank it down. I just make it like that, and then we are done. We shade it smooth, and then auto mesh, auto smooth, and time. So the official time here is 2 minutes and 18 seconds, and boy, it looks good. Decent, at least for me, on my opinion, by the way. It looks clean. It looks clean, and like I said earlier in the video, I'm just doing speed modeling, okay, strictly, and no materials involved, since my PC can't, yeah, manage the processing power with screen recording. So anyways, yeah, there's that. I'm gonna try to making a scene out of this, and I'm gonna show you to guys right now. Here it is, guys. So this is right here, an arrow made from the default cube within 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Boy, it looks clean. I actually picked blue because I want blue on the scene. So there's that. And I'm gonna go on a minimal approach to this on this scene because simplicity, you know. I just posted these on Instagram and ArtStation as well. Want to check it out? It's on my accounts prior to the posting of this video. That's it for letter A as in arrow. I'm gonna try thinking of an object for letter B on the next video, and I hope you're gonna watch that video as well, guys. And like the video. And if you do like this video, hopefully you would like the video. If you want to see more of these, hopefully you would subscribe. I'm hoping to reach 100 subs this year. So yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy your time. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, bro.